Hello all, in this video I will discuss some of the questions which came in GATE or some other exams so that you can solve those questions. So as you can see that one question is given from GATE. So it has sense stand, anti-sense stand, primer sequence and the options. Now we will take another DNA sequence. It is given. So after denaturation during PCR, primers are annealed. So how we will design the forward primer first. So just keep this in mind that forward primer 1 is always as same as sense strand, okay, because it will bind to antisense. So forward primer will always as same as sense strand. As you can see that CAG, CAG. Now coming to the reverse primer. So reverse primer, here also you will find that it is same as 5' site of the anti-strand TCA and TCA. So it will be same as. Now coming back to the question. So here you will, as I have mentioned, that forward primer will be always as sense strand. So here you will see that GAC CT. So in which option? So P is the correct option for one primer, that is forward primer. Now coming to the reverse primer, that is ATC. As I have mentioned that it will be always as anti-sense strand 5' side. So ATCC. So in which option it is given? S. So the right option is P and S. Again, to summarize this part, so if both sense and anti-sense strand is given, so that forward primer will be, its sequence will be same as sense strand 5' side, sense strand 5' side. Just keep this in mind. And reverse primer will be sequence same as anti-sense 5' side. Okay, so this is the way that how you will solve the question. Now again we can understand by another image. So here also you will find that the forward primer is always as same as sense strand, and the reverse primer will be always as anti-sense 5' side. Okay, so just keep this point in mind and then you can solve the question. So taken together we will solve another question. So here another question is given, GACC. So here in which option it is given? So option 1 for forward primer. Here we can see, but in all three one option is given. Now what will be the reverse primer? So for reverse we have to check that anti-sense strand, this one, anti-sense strand. So anti-sense we will read from this side, TCAAT. So in which option it is given? So TCAAT. So that is option 4. So option 1 and 4. So in which one it is given? Option C. Okay, now this is the way that how you solve the question for PCR. If both sense and anti-sense strand are given. Now we will take another type of question. There only sense strand is given, there is no anti-sense. So how we will find out the forward and reverse primer? So as in previous slides I have mentioned that how we will decipher, how we will find out the forward primer. So the formula will be same, like it forward should be same as sense strand. So ACA, there is no ACA, so it is not the option. Then AZT, AAG, it is also not the option. Then CTT, there is a CTT, so it could be the option. Now next is GATC, so GATC, this could be the option. So these are the two options based on forward primer. Now we will check that reverse primer. So if sense strand is not given, in lab as well, mostly anti-sense strand is not given, only sense strand is given. So how we will find out? So for forward primer, formula will be same, like it is sequence will be same as sense strand 5' site of DNA. For reverse primer, sequence will be reverse complement of sense strand at 3' site. Okay, how it will work? So we will, from these two options only we will check. So its reverse complementary will be reverse complement. We will do reverse later on. So first we will check that complementary. So complementary will be A, T, C, G, T, A, C, G, similar way other. Now we will do it reverse. So reverse will make T, G, A, C, T, G. You can see that this is the reverse. So this is the right option. Now again we will check for another D option. So for that one, what will be the reverse primer? So again complementary. So it's complementary C to complement G, A, T, and then we will check its reverse. So G, there's no G, T, there's no T. So this is not the right option. So this is the right option. So option C is the correct option. So here you can see that how we can check the primer, how we can make the primer forward and reverse from the given sequence. So hope this will help you, and if any questions are there, you can drop in comment box. We will be happy to help you. Thank you.